surprised to see that it was a throwback cover and one of your idols, Larry Bird, was the inspiration?
I was a little surprised. That's one of my favorite covers of all time, the one with him on it. So to be able to say that I'm on the same type of cover is pretty special.
So that's one of your favorite covers. You couldn't have even been born anywhere near when that Larry Bird cover came out. What made you want to look back and go old school for some of your basketball role models?
That's just a guy I look up to. I know I'm too young to remember him, but I still watch highlights of him all the time, try to model my game after him. I thought it'd be really cool to look back and see myself on the same cover he was.
We see that a lot in the cover story that Luke Winn wrote, that you actually watch Larry Bird highlights before every game. So what specifically do you try to take from him, or is it just watching one of the all-time great scorers? Does that get you pumped up?
Yeah, watching one of the all-time greats. I'm no Larry Bird. There's only one Larry Bird, and no one's ever going to catch him. But just to watch his moves, just seeing how much fire he plays with every game, and just how good of a leader he was out there is special to watch.
Does it seem like the whole team has kind of embraced this throwback sort of? You guys aren't really watching LeBron and Kevin Durant. You're watching like the Celtics of 1986. How did you guys find this team?
Yeah, our team is kind of old school. If you watch us the way we play, we're not a lot of athletes out there. We're not blocking shots. We're not dunking on guys. We're playing kind of old school games, shooting a lot of threes, making the extra pass. And Grant Gibbs on our team he's been in college for 6 years, and he's the guy that likes Larry Bird the most. So I think it kind of just rubs off on the whole team.
College for 6 years. A lot of the that's just a shade under a decade.
Yeah,
most people are called doctors. Yes.
Wilder, so.
But there is one current player that maybe you would draw comparisons to, perhaps a Dirk Nowitzki. Do you find that or no?
He's 7 feet, and I'm not quite that tall. So, I like his game a lot too. I watch a lot of his stuff, his fadeaways, but he's able to shoot it over taller defenders, So I just try and take a little bit from each player. I like to watch Paul Pierce as well, and just take a little bit from every great player.
Hey there, SI fans. I hope you enjoyed this clip from our daily live show, SI Now. You can find a link to the complete episode in the description box below. And while you're there, make sure to subscribe to Sports Illustrated's YouTube channel. Remember, you can watch SI Now Monday through Friday live at 1 p.m. Eastern Time only on SI.com. We'll see you there.